Hey, what's up, everybody? Marissa Romero here, and thank you, my friends, for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, on this channel we talk about all things internet marketing, online marketing, making money online, and building a business where you can have more time freedom to spend time and do the things you love with the people you love. So, again, if you're subscribed, thank you and welcome back. If you haven't already, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Okay, so what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to show you exactly how I made $2,200. It's a little bit more than that. I'm going to show you how I made $2,200 online with Kartra. So what is Kartra? Kartra is an all-in-one business platform. So it's not only email marketing software, so you can email your leads. It's also a complete sales funnel builder. And it's not only those two things, it's also a system where you can build your own membership site, so you can create your own products online. And it's so much more than that. I'll post a link in one of the top corners on what is Kartra, so you could actually get a full video training on what that is. But essentially, if you've heard of Aweber, ActiveCampaign, GetResponse, it has the same email marketing capabilities of all those platforms. It also has, if you've heard of ClickFunnels or have tried ClickFunnels or Lead Pages, it has that capability too, to build a sales funnel. And let's see. So yeah, ClickFunnels it also gives you the ability to do create membership sites, and Kartra does as well. What I like about the membership sites is it looks super clean, and it looks kind of like you had a custom course built and made for you, but you simply put it together by yourself. But anyways, that's besides the point. I'm going to show you exactly how I made the $2,200 with Kartra with the first funnel I launched for it, and it was pretty sweet. I was able to do that by just a few simple steps. And number one is I started from scratch building my audience. I'm not kidding you guys. Like, I did not have an email list in this specific niche that I was promoting this product. But what I did was I started building an audience and also an email list in this niche. And I started providing massive value via what you're watching right now, YouTube. So I practiced that every single day. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and switch my screen and show you guys the formula that I did. Okay, so welcome back to my computer where we are talking about clickbank.com. And what I wanted to highlight is that yes, ClickBank is like the #1 place on the internet to market other people's digital products and have a very good, option of different niches and markets that you could get into. So you see everything from arts, entertainment, business, investing, employment, jobs, fiction, blah, 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 software and services. So what I like to do is I like to come here and pick a product that is going to have a high average sale value, average dollar per sale, and also have a high gravity. And what I mean by high gravity is at least, let's say, I like to put in 30 or 40 because that means that the product is selling and that it's popular, and you want the gravity to be higher because you're most likely to make the sale if you promote this product. So, but what I wanted to direct your attention to is a method that I use sometimes called launch jacking. And what launch jacking means is you look for products that haven't been made, came into the market yet, and you simply start promoting it before it's launched, okay? And one website to check out where new products are before they hit ClickBank, before they hit jvzoo.com, is jvnotifypro.com. You can create an account. It's free. Alright, so they have launch announcements, what's happening. You can subscribe to their list, and they send you the list of of people that are launching new products. But what you do is you come down here to the launch schedule and you pick out products that you think you might want to promote that are in your niche. Okay, so the other thing, criteria I look for when I do this method is I look for the stats on the JV page. So 49 and 36 is kind of low, but let's come here to May 30th. This no product, no problem. What is this? Matt McWilliams is recognized as the top affiliate manager in the world by Affiliate Summit Pinnacle Awards. Has taught over 123,000 affiliates to make money in affiliate marketing, yada, yada, yada. Brings over half-decade of experience across multiple industries to No Product, No Problem. Considered the premier affiliate marketing training course to help your audience make their first dollar online. So this sounds good. And right now it's far away. This is kind of like a perfect time to do launch jacking. It's still a month away, because if you look at their JV page, they have a couple hundred raw and unique views, and I would keep an eye out on this product because I would like it to be above 500 right here. So I would look at their JV invite page and see what kind of affiliate resources that they have for this product and for their affiliates. So, but while I'm talking about that, I just wanted to kind of show you guys. Okay, here it is. It's loading.
Hey, what's up? It's Matt here, and we're relaunching our affiliate marketing training course, No Product, No Problem. And
okay, I can't load the rest of the page. I'm not sure why. I'll just give it a minute. But anyway, where Kartra comes into play is right here. I used my pages to create a simple two-step funnel, all right, to capture my lead, to nourish my lead, and follow up with my lead. So what I did was I came to pages and I first created a thank you page, because in Kartra you have to work backwards. You have to create your thank you page, then you have to create your opt-in form, and then you create the landing page. So you work backwards, you think backwards, because Kartra forces you to worry about the end goal rather than setting up something quick, and it really wants you to focus on the end goal of your business and not just something quick and to the point. I mean, you can set up something quick, but it forces you to really think about what you want to do. Okay, so they have thank you pages, long sale pages, squeeze pages, and product reviews. They have all kinds of templates within Kartra. Okay, so I just created a simple two-step funnel, so which is the opt-in page. So I had a landing page and a thank you page, and in the thank you page I had a value video. So I told people what to do next on the thank you page. I made a simple video and I said, hey, click here, this and that, and check your email because you'll be getting this free training, yada yada. And so that is how I was set up my first funnel and was able to get my first success with my first product that I marketed with Kartra. Okay, so I love Kartra's system, but I was trying to see right here if this loaded. It did load. Okay, so
hey, what's up? It's Matt here, and
okay, this looks like a pretty cool product to promote. I like the sales page. Who else is supporting the launch? Okay, this is important when you're doing launch jacking because you want to see the other, quote, big affiliates who are promoting this product. So Jason Stone, a lot of people know him as Millionaire Mentor. Rich German, Kelly Jo Murphy, Tom Woods. So this is a pretty legit product when you have people this big supporting this product launch. Okay, so who is this launch for? Yeah, this is a solid. So yeah, go ahead if you guys want to. If you guys want to promote this product, this is a good one to do it. So no product, no problem. Okay, so May 30th through June 13th. Alrighty, peoples. So now, what I like about, again, back to Kartra and the affiliate sales is you can check a whole lot of things with the analytics. All right, so this is kind of cool how you're able to to check out the sales you've made. So as you can see, I have 28 sales, total revenue of 743, USD amount of 2,257, earnings per click. That's a metric that you're going to want to use a lot, and that you're going to want to understand. So $11 EPC is huge. Just imagine earning $11 every time someone clicked on your product. I'm sorry, clicked on your link. That's a lot. So you can see here that it's pretty cool that that Kartra allows you to see how you're doing with driving traffic and all that good stuff. So anyways, guys, I highly recommend getting Kartra if you don't already have an email marketing platform that you're confident with. And I just wanted to make this special offer. If you were to join Kartra through my link, and there's a $1 trial for 2 weeks, so there's really like no it's really costs you nothing just to try it out and test it out. If you guys join through my link, I will give you my entire Limitless Freedom Academy for free. Now that is a complete online business training where we talk about everything as if you're brand new. So if you are starting out fresh, it talks about your branding. We talk about goal setting. We talk a little bit. We have a mindset stuff here. I'll just show you really quick what I have in here with my membership. And I talk about how to set up your business from scratch, how to drive traffic and get high quality leads, how to monetize YouTube, how to brand yourself. Really, you have everything you need to know in my course, and you would get it absolutely for free. All you would have to do is email me the receipt that you purchased Kartra. And so just email me that receipt and I'll confirm that in my back office, and I will give you access to this course right away, no questions asked. So if you want to see what this looks like and that it is real, and I do have a course to offer you guys, this is it right here. And so I have all these modules ready to go. Okay, I teach you how to choose profitable niches and offers. I teach you about your branding. I teach you about content creation and high quality content. I teach you everything you need to know about setting up your first funnel and the tools you need. And I also teach you about YouTube traffic and how to dominate it. I love YouTube. I'll use it forever as long as it's around and as long as it's making money. So that's really it, guys. I hope you guys got some value from this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and leave me a comment if you have any questions at all. And of course, smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. And this is Marissa Merrill.